Hey folks, welcome back to Honey Money SG. Now you may have seen my previous video on the best cashback credit card with no minimum spend. But do you know what happens if you have like a minimum spend and you can get better rewards on that? So in this video, I'll recommend 3 credit cards to you for those people who can achieve a minimum spend of at least $600 a month. But stay till the end of the video because I'll really teach you how to strategize this kind of minimum spend credit cards so that you don't waste the cashback if you fail to hit the minimum spend, right? So let's go on to our first card, and that will be the DBS Live Fresh credit card. Now I've talked about the Live Fresh credit card for multiple videos already, but to put it simply, it's just 5% cashback on both your contactless mobile spend and online spending. That's it. You do have a minimum spending of $600 a month, otherwise you won't get any cashback. But I think 5% online and 5% mobile contactless is pretty easy to hit, right? Because when we go to restaurants, when we go to places that accept Visa, PayWave, we can all use this DBS Live Fresh credit card. And then for online, right? For example, we want to book hotel for staycation, we want to shop online on e-commerce sites such as Shopee, Lazada, and Qoo10, right? We can all use this Live Fresh credit card for online 5% cashback. But you must note that the cashback is capped at $20 per category, so that means around $400 of spend for each mobile contactless and online. And you can even use this card for public transport, bus and MRT rides because they give you up to 10% cashback, right? Because there is additional 5% cashback on these green merchants that's specific for Live Fresh, whereby for those green and sustainable merchants or vendors, right, you achieve an additional 5% cashback, which you all can look it up in this list over here. So that means 10% cashback on your public transport, right, provided you hit the minimum spend of $600. But of course, that's not the best public transport card because for Revolut, you get up to 20% cashback, which you can sign up using my link below to see how you can get that 20%. Not only the 5% cashback, DBS usually have this kind of spend campaigns towards the end of the year, whereby if you spend above an amount, usually like above $1,000, you get some additional cashback, usually like 8%. And then monthly, they also have those spending deals like 10th of October, 11th of November, 12th of December, this kind of double day deals, right? They will have this kind of campaigns where you can earn additional cashback on top of the 5%. So in total, that's like 5 plus 8%, 13% cashback. I think that's really sweet. Also, do look out for the flash deal when signing up for DBS credit cards, right? Because from now till the end of February, if you use the promo code called FATFLASH, using my referral link down below and key in the promo code box, you stand to get up to $300 in cash. Of course, if you're watching this video in the future months, then do take note of the current promotion based on the month that you are at. Now let's move on to the next card, which is UOB EVO. And I also talked about this UOB EVO cards for many times in my channel, but this card has minimum spend of $600 and the effective cashback is around 6.7%. Why do I say the effective cashback is 6.7% when they advertise it at 8%, right? And that's because there's actually a cap on the category. Now, similar to Live Fresh, they have mobile contactless spend where you get 8%, and for online spend, you get another 8%. But you must remember that because there is a cap, right? If we take the cap of $20, divide by 8%, we'll get the amount spent to be $250. And $250 for 2 categories, that will be $500. That means you need to spend an additional $100 on eligible categories while not getting any cashback. That's why if you combine everything, you're getting $40 of cashback on $600 of spend, and that means the effective cashback is just at 6.7%. Now for simplicity, let's just split it to $300 of online spend and $300 of mobile contactless. Then you can go and do the math yourself to get 6.7%. Now the thing about UOB credit cards is that I feel their sign up bonus is really difficult to track because they always advertise like the first 100 customers who sign up will get like a certain number of gifts, right? So you really have to time the sign up bonus like the first day of the calendar month, and at 12 a.m. you submit your application, then you have a good chance of getting the sign up reward. Otherwise, I feel that there isn't a good time to actually go and apply for UOB credit cards because unlike other credit cards, they don't really have good sign up bonuses anyway. Now the last card, let's talk about HSBC Visa Platinum. So this card has a minimum spend of $600 as well, and it gives you 5% cashback on selected categories. The 3 selected categories are groceries, dining and petrol. Okay, so I understand some of you may be commenting already, why is the list so restrictive to these 3 categories and it's only 5%, right? What is the difference between this and the previous 2 cards? Well, the thing is the monthly cap of the cashback is really high at around $250 per quarter. So that means that as long as you spend above $600 in a month for dining, groceries and petrol, you can get 5% cashback at quite a high cap, right? 250 divided by 3, that's like more than $80 per month of cashback. But you must understand that you have to spend consistently above $600 for 3 months in order to get your cashback at the end of the 3rd month. So it's like a quarter game, right? For every quarter you have to fulfill for 3 months. Otherwise your whole 3 months won't get any cashback. Now, so I have introduced the 3 credit cards with minimum spend to you. But what if you are unable to hit the minimum spend for that particular month? The most simple and direct way is actually to go to your local supermarket such as NTUC FairPrice and go and top up the NTUC gift card or buy grocery vouchers, because they will be using the same cashier machine for the groceries, right? So they will all be coded as supermarket spending, which is eligible. So you can front load some of the prepaid expenses to your gift card or grocery vouchers, then you spend them slowly after that. Otherwise, you could also go to Shopback and buy some online gift cards such as Shopee, Lazada, Qoo10, so that you can front load these expenses for this month, and then the next month you can use them again. I also do have a referral link for Shopback if you want to use it. Now for the last 2 cards, it will be OCBC Frank and Citi SMRT, but I won't go through them in this video because I have really done previous videos on them already. Those 2 videos are available in my credit card playlist over here, so you can take a look at all the credit card videos that I have created on my channel. With that, thank you for watching. My name is Christopher. This is Honey Money SG, steering young adults to financial independence.